welcome to Background Noise. Welcome back, I guess. Asura's Wrath. Nobody cares. If you want to know what happened last time, just watch episode 2. It's quite simple. This isn't rocket science, folks. It's slightly close to marine biology. Definitely not rocket science. Alright. Episode 3. You can see we've fallen into the deep pits of Hades. It is weird that I get that they're trying to make this look like a TV show, but that they put the little opening credit things there at the beginning of each chapter. Oh, whatever. Now, if memory serves, we're going to get to meet a little spider, who is an incredibly important character for later in the story. So make sure that you look at Asura the entire time and ignore the other character here. Alright. Hell on Gaia.
Awake at last, are we?
Yes.
Where am I?
Where?
Who are you?
Raka.
I must destroy the Hidden Leaf Village.
Because I doubt you would understand.
Well, you could anyway. Save me a lot of trouble later.
Having a bad dream.
Who are you?
Didn't you just ask him that?
Question, not the right one.
Huh?
The right question would be who?
The golden spider. Yo, those textures look real bad on the pillar up close like that.
Start climbing then. However, be careful. I trust I need not tell you what would happen should you.
Is this kind of like Dragon Ball Z and I fall into the...
That's it.
What is it? HFIL? Home for Infinite Losers?
There is a reason
Pretty sure it actually means hell.
to climb, isn't there?
Yeah, my daughter's stuck in some kind of space crystal.
But the flame inside you still.
Eat more chipotle and the flame shall burn brighter, Asura.
This just happened? Oh, wait. Skip tutorial. What? Okay.
Look like monkeys.
Let's see what you make of them.
Okay. I'm not gonna skip this tutorial because I haven't played this game, in quite some time. Although I suppose for the sake of this, it may be a tad boring to watch, so I'll tell you an anecdotal story. So, in the early development phases of Asura's Wrath, they were actually gonna have the main character be a monkey. And, he was gonna have a tail and fly around on a cloud. And have a stick that could actually extend to any size. So it was going to be a really interesting, kind of a new concept. You're also going to have it on a full moon, he would turn into a giant banana, which, I think it was budget constraints that actually had them rewriting the part to be a humanoid-esque. I don't know, he looks like he's made of clay. I don't really know what Asura is supposed to be, but... Either way, substantially sexier, but at the same time... I would have liked to have seen... oh, whole beat of a perform dash tag! Pardon me. Yeah. That's it! Once more times! Oh, I got them all at once! How come I don't have my middle arms? Do I look... No, I still got those weird marks on my body. Dive kick! Oh yeah! Oh. How many times do I have to do this? Okay. Maybe I should have skipped this tutorial, but I wouldn't have remembered how to do any of this stuff, so... You know, it's a give-and-take relationship. I know what you're thinking. Andrew, please stop making videos. Wait, didn't I already do this? Eh, whatever. Oh! But you're probably thinking, Andrew, you should have done this off camera. You should have practiced, got all your skills back so you're 100% top your game, ready to be unscathed. I can't. I just can't do that. I need to control and redirect all of my energy into making these videos. I can recover after being hit. Hurry up, come on. Ah! Take it like a man! Now you're a man! Can you please hit me? I never thought I'd want to be hit so badly in my entire life. Come on! This monkey is so stupid! That's it. Now there's consequences for you being retarded. I'm trying to take it like a man. He's not hitting me.
Yay!
Go, Asura, go! I'm not stopping. I'm still going. Oh. Wait. Oh. Ho ho! How about this? How about this? How about this? Asura used agility. Read my opponents, eh? Yes! I already performed a counter. I'm done. Done with this nonsense. Stupid monkeys. They don't stand a chance. Looks like that monkey from Rampage. I believe his name was Rampage Jackson. Could be wrong. Maybe confusing him with a different entity altogether. Lock on to target. Do you want me to shoot it? Do you want me to... Oh. That's the spirit! Ha ha! Ha ha! Cookies on dowels. Ha ha ha! Dangly parts. Okay, here we go. Oh.
Rapid fire.
Oh, they make little weird noises. I kind of feel bad for murdering them. Ha ha! Whee! Alright, I think we're done here. You're gonna take me on yourself? That's the biggest mistake you could possibly make. Naked pictures. Take off those pants, Asura. Okay. Just throw it slowly. Can I hit him? Doesn't look like it, but I could still try. How does he even do that? I'm not stopping. You gotta keep throwing stuff. Come on, man. You're selfish. We done here? I think I got the basic... I had to do this at the beginning of the game. Tutorials too little too late. Sing it, Amanda Bynes. Or whoever sang that song. That other girl, with the one with the face and the teeth. Here we go! Now it's my turn! Prepare yourself! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Let's go! Okay. Don't... that's disgusting. You put that finger away. I don't even know where it's been. Smells like cheese. Automatically activated in easy mode. Well, luckily, for the sake of this playthrough, I'm playing on easy mode. Why is he doing that? He's a weirdo. Yes! Bow before my might. Yeah. Rapid fire! Wow, that fills up that gauge real fast. Yes! Can I activate my burst mode now? Yes! Burst mode, activate!
How you like me now?
Yes. Well, whatever you just said. How do I... Can I do it now? I'm pressing the... Oh, the birth gauge is the little thing at the bottom. The orange one. Better not stop feeling... Okay, good. A little bit concerned there. Burst activated. Now, if I recall correctly, you can actually miss with bursts. Not entirely sure. Oh, synchro. Do it! Do it! Kick! Why is he smiling at me? That's creepy. Hello? Oh, thanks! Vulcan headbutt! Alright, well. That's how I was rewarded when I studied martial arts. Anytime I did well by my master, he'd headbutt me right in the face. Then laugh at me and walk away. Oh. Ooh. Liam, you have to channel the power. Oh, he's never mind. But it was too late. When did I get these hands?
Yes,
I like
that is your name,
broccoli.
Asura.
What are you doing? Uh-oh.
My name is Asura,
And I have type 2 diabetes. We join our hero. Wait, is this... Ugh. These things are creepy. Hey, I already did this. Come on. Just flashback in the first 5 seconds of the game. Ugh. You're nothing compared to me, little monkey man. Is there someone else behind me? No? Well then. Come on. You gotta give it all you got to raise to the top. So they can know your story. Now you're a man. A man, man. Now you're a man. This isn't filling up my gauge fast enough. Take this. Yeah. Birth mode, activate! Yes. Trigger! Oh, now he's super angry. Is this supposed to be the same scene as before? Because it's not how it happened. I mean, I remember, I was there. It was way back in episode 2, I think. Yeah, it was episode 2. What?
has been killed.
What? No. Wasn't me.
Traitor! General Asura has gone mad.
Savages, savages, barely even human. No, it's not me. As you can see, Asura was bullied horribly in high school. Poor guy. Hey, Deus, how you doing, man? Oh, I haven't. Not yet. That's not how it happened. Why is this happening? It looks like Asura's blasting off again! Nope, still here. Sorry, keep having these weird flashbacks.
Deus said he would save the world.
Oh, did
Are
he?
you satisfied with being a cog in his machine?
A what? How dare you?
Or you could just curl up and die.
I can't curl up right here, I'll fall off.
Shut up.
Yes, thank you.
But what's the matter? Have I...
Everything angers him, are you kidding? Ugh. Too much ice cream. My head.
Me?
Ugh.
Crying.
Crying?
Crying? In Naraka?
What?
There is nothing to hear but the sound.
Yeah, I think we all noticed that. We're all thoroughly annoyed. Thank you. Oh, see ya. Do it. Oh man, sounds like Gojira. Ugh. Did we make it out? Hello? Oh. Well, that's not so bad. Asura, no! Hey, his pants changed color. Oh, man. It's getting worse by the moment.
What the?
Your world, Gaia.
What'd you do to it?
Will 12,000 years.
12,000 years?
You were here last.
Well, then why did that guy say he's getting too old for this? He's clearly immortal.
Self, now is it?
Eh? What?
Is this how you save the world?
Well, at least his eyes are a lot cooler now. Apparently in 12,000 years, white fabric will change to black. I didn't know that. Yeah, well, come on. You know, you do some feng shui, you buy some furniture, put up some drapes, it won't look so bad. Well, another exciting, very riveting episode of Asura's Wrath. As per usual, if you want me to continue this, just tell me, because, you know... Feedback, background noise. See what I did there? Whoops. Oh!